Hello everyone and welcome to Skillbuzz. This is Navya and today's video is about the careers which will be trending in the coming 10 years. स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए so that you don't miss our videos and do press the bell icon so you receive the notifications. हम अपने चैनल पर कंटेंट डालते हैं related to skills, personality development, motivation and a lot more. Okay, so with no further delays, let's start. Choosing a career path is one of the most important decisions of our lives. We need to do proper career planning as it will give us the much needed direction. Friends, career planning से हमें help मिलती है to know that what all skills and knowledge we require to excel in that career. You all know that we have been seeing a lot of new careers in the recent past. But guys, future में बहुत कुछ नया होने वाला है and market demand is changing. So, choosing our careers and making the right decision is extremely important as it will affect our life tremendously. So, the first in the list is cyber security experts. Guys, cyber security basically क्या होता है? So, cyber security is a combination of processes designed to protect the data from attack, damage, and access from unauthorized sources. Cybersecurity protects the data from cyber attacks aimed at changing or destroying sensitive information or creating problems for the business processes. So now the question arises कि हमें need क्या है cyber security की? The first reason is that hackers have increased tremendously. आपने recent times में सुना होगा कि बहुत websites hack हो रही हैं. The number of hackers are increasing day by day and protecting the data is one of the most important concerns for all the businesses. The second reason is that a boom in cyber attacks is expected. आप सबको पता है कि टाइम अब चेंज हो रहा है and everything is related to data. कंपनीज अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स से आगे बढ़ने के लिए डेटा का ही यूज करती हैं and when data has such an important part to play, then obviously cyber attacks are expected to increase, which creates a necessity for cybersecurity experts. The third reason is that losing data will cause huge losses for the businesses. Just imagine कि अगर companies का data hamper हो जाता है, then how will they work? Losing data will cause them huge losses, and that is why companies in the near future will be hiring cybersecurity experts. So, guys, this career is definitely going to be in huge demands in the future. Our next option is waste engineers. Waste management engineers work in developing the waste management plans and operate waste disposal, storage, and recycling facilities. So, now the question is that why do we need them? Friends, according to a report, the world is generating 3.5 million tons of plastic and other solid waste every single day. You will be surprised to know that this amount is 10 times the amount that was produced a century ago. काफ़ी टाइम से बहुत इनोवेशंस हुए हैं कि हम लिमिट कर सके वेस्ट प्रोडक्शन और रिसाइकलेबल मटेरियल यूज़ करें बट दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वेस्ट जनरेशन हैज़ बिन इंक्रीजिंग एंड थ्रेटन्स आवर एग्जिस्टेंस. And in such a phase, a waste engineer can help the world overcome this problem, so undoubtedly this job will be huge in the future. Now the next in the list is blockchain developers. We all have heard about Bitcoin, which was made using the blockchain technology. So basically blockchain developers एक टाइप के सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर्स होते हैं जो blockchain टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करते हैं. So in future, why will blockchain developers be in demand? The answer is that blockchain is a public access decentralized data storage solution. What sets it apart is primarily that any data which is sent over this technology is not stored in any central location or by a third party. Moreover, it has a lot of capacity which the traditional methods lack. इस टेक्नोलॉजी में गवर्नमेंट इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी नहीं होता एंड ना ही कोई थर्ड पार्टी इंटरफेरेंस होता है जिसकी वजह से प्रोसेस बहुत स्मूथ एंड फास्ट हो जाता है. So blockchain developers will definitely be huge in the future. Next in the list is digital marketers. Digital marketing is the process of promoting and selling goods and services using online marketing techniques like social media marketing, search marketing, and email marketing. So now the question is that how is digital marketing taking rise in the market? इसके reasons बहुत obvious हैं. The first reason is किसी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग से हमें कस्टमर्स और कस्टमर्स को हम बहुत इजीली एक्सेसिबल होते हैं. Everyone knows that आजकल सबके पास मोबाइल फ़ोन है and we have an access to almost everything through our phones. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग से कंपनीज को हेल्प मिलती है कि वो राइट टाइम पर राइट कस्टमर्स को रीच कर सकें थ्रू एड्स, ईमेल, टेक्स्ट मार्केटिंग एंड ऑफ कोर्स सोशल मीडिया. Also, in addition to this, digital marketing is quite affordable than other marketing methods because हमें कोई दूर door to door या दूसरे traditional methods नहीं use करने and most of the work happens online through the internet. One more advantage is that it gives us flexibility to decide what we want. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई हमारा मार्केटिंग आइडिया ज़्यादा अच्छा वर्क नहीं कर रहा तो हम सिंपली उसकी जगह कोई और मेथड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Thus, it gives us flexibility. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि फ्यूचर में विद एन इंक्रीज्ड यूज ऑफ इंटरनेट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विल बी द मोस्ट sought after forms of marketing. The last in the list is data scientists. Guys, trust me, this will be huge in the future. So data scientist is a person जो analyze और interpret करता है बहुत सारे data को. This job requires the use of advanced technologies including machine learning and predictive modeling. So now let's focus on that why will they be in demand. डेटा साइंस में बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है एंड बेसिकली ये इन्फॉर्मेशन एक बिजनेस को बिग पिक्चर कंसिडर करने में हेल्प करती है. द गोल इज टू प्रोवाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट कंज्यूमर्स एंड कैंपेन्स एंड हेल्प कंपनीज क्रिएट स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लान्स टू engage audience and sell their products. Also, big data analytics helps brands to understand the customers who help determine the long-term success of the business. So friends, that's it from my side and I hope the video was helpful. You can connect with me through below mentioned platforms. I wish you all the best for your careers.